This is why I gotta love Florida. I thought it was gonna be a nice sunny day, work on Maximus. He's in the garage, so it doesn't really matter, but it's pouring. It was bright and sunny about 15 minutes ago.
Let the attack begin.
So I'm shooting this video so you guys can see a little bit of the progress or on progress, depends how you look at it, what I've been doing so far. So I've taken all the moldings off the bottom, so I've painted it a nice, hear that thunder? A nice shiny piano black other than that dull. So I still have to paint it a nice shiny black. So what I still have to do is I still have to wet sand it, but I haven't gotten a chance to wet sand it yet. And this, as you can see, this little area right here looks a little foggy because I started wet sanding and I hadn't buffed it all the way out. So I made it a nice shiny black. Got all the wheels off. The front is off to get that off. I got some of the interior off, but I'll get to that to show you guys. I want to show you guys a little bit of the trunk so far that I've done. So here's the trunk setup. I have the ammo can. I ran some hard lines. I painted them yellow to match the stenciling on the ammo cans. And then that's the tank right there. And if you open the ammo can, that's where the compressor is located. It's pouring outside, so that's why it's so dark in here. I can't get a chance to turn on open the garage door. But that's how it looks in the trunk. And I did it this way so I could still open my hatch to get the battery to my speakers. I still gotta fix up those wires down there. Little carbon fiber floor. Working on the rear, new diffuser. There go my seat. You know, a lot of people ask about the seat. It's a Say-Belt. Got the carbon fiber. Got the Say-Belt harnesses as well. Had to take the seat out and the harness bar in order to get to the back to work on the air tank from the inside. Open this up. Using my phone today. So to get to this, I had to take the harness bar out. Take the seat out since it don't lean forward, so it's a lot easier to just take it out and work on it. And then this is the setup back here, the drain, the tank. I'm gonna get a pinup painted on the tank. I just want to test everything again, make sure everything fits, and then I'll take it out again when I get the chance to do it. So this is the other side of it. That's how you can see the haziness because I still hadn't finished buffing it out when I've been wet sanding, but it's been hot. It was cool today, but I'm not sure you can hear, but it's pouring out. Garage is a mess. Usually when I'm working on projects, I have the garage, I got tools everywhere. Gotta clean it all back up when I'm done. So this is the bag setup on the back. No rubs, even though when I air out, I do sit it on the fender on the inside right there. One thing I did notice when I took the wheel off on the inside, I had some little cuts on the inside of the wheel, like some grooves, and I figured out what the problem is. Right here on the Hellcats, there's a, I have no idea what this is. Look like a grease port. Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like, a grease port. If you air out, trying to get it to focus. Yeah, if you air out on that grease port, will cut into the tire. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about that. I'm trying to see what it greases or anything, or what it does. So yeah, this is the bolt. I took the fender liner off. So it's actually a bolt and not a, whatever I thought it was, a grease point. So I'm just gonna cut this bolt down to be even with this, with that nut. And then that's the interior. And these are my 2 air lines that I ran from underneath from the car. So that one goes to the front, and then that one goes to the rear bag right there. Then it goes through, and I put it through this boot. There's a boot right there, and it goes straight into the trunk. So yeah, I had a little bit of problem with this, so I'm gonna have to cut that down. Somehow I thought it was a grease point. That's what it looked like from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that down. Yeah, so that's all I have to show you guys right now. I did do all the hard lines and did everything and mocked everything up myself and put it in the trunk with the help of my son and stuff like that. So I got Maximus all torn apart. I'm trying to get him ready for We Are Mopar. So I'm not necessarily gonna put it back together all the way yet, because I still gotta take the car down, not next week, but probably the following week down to Miami, down to Metro Wraps, to have them retouch up some stuff. And I think it'll just be easier if the bumper is off. The bumpers are off to you know, get it done a lot cleaner and sooner. And if I have enough time, I may get something else done to the car while it's down there. More to come on that, I'm not sure. So I'm not gonna say anything because I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to get it done yet. But as usual, thanks for being patient. I'm trying to pump out as much videos as I can, but it's hard with work, and it's summertime, and the kids got a lot of activities during the summer, with football, band, golf, all kind of stuff like that. But please give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't done so for future uploads. And also go back and look at my past videos. You may get some entertainment out of it, or learn something about your car, because I'll do all my all the stuff myself. So it's a lot of DIY type projects. And if you guys ever feel the need to, you could DM me, or send me an email if you have questions on anything. As you can see, I have the car completely torn apart, and I also have a complete service manual for the Hellcat to tear everything down, thanks to one of my buddies here on YouTube who got it for me. All right, thanks, man. Peace.